So, garden path sentence at saka psycholinguistics. So, yung garden path sentence, it's a grammatically correct sentence. That is, minsan nami-misinterpret daw or namamali. No, ito ay ginagamit sa psycholinguistics para matest yung ating analysis sa structure. Pag nagbasa tayo, tinitest doon kung paano natin naintindihan yung structure ng isang sentence. Doon malalaman kung meron tayong difficulty of understanding sentences. At kung paano naman naiintindihan yung sentences put into words o yung sinasabi verbally. Yun, doon malalaman yan. So, doon sa may mga dyslexia, ito ang ginagamit. No? And then, yung psycholinguistics naman, yung mental part ng language and speech. No? It is a branch of both linguistics and psychology. Alam naman natin, pinagsama yan. Psychology is the study of the mind and yung linguistics is the study of speech and language. So, pinagsama yung dalawa na yan. So, again, ito yung mga pinag-aaralan nila Sir Amihan at saka nila Vice Melody Stockway. So, again, another PWD vlog. Kahit man lang maliit, nagkaroon tayo ng kasi minsan, yung mga sentences na yan, pag binasa mo, minsan, i-assess nila kung baka pagod ka lang or overstrain ka lang, yung ganyan, di ba? Hindi, kasi minsan, yung mga natin minsan nakakalimutan na natin kahit yung mga binabasa natin, hindi natin matandaan. Siguro out of fatigue, pero hindi naman parating out of fatigue yun. So, yun lang po.